Hey, this is Brian, the main contributor to the Smart Connections Obsidian plugin, and I'm about to go through the different GitHub issues that I have been unable to respond to. It takes a lot of time to read through the issues and formulate a good response, so I'm hoping that by recording my process, you can see what I'm thinking as I'm coming up with the response, and hopefully that will provide you with more insights on what the future of smart connections look like, and also answer whatever questions it is that you had in the issue itself. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. Okay, issue number 97, request notes processed count. So I think this is another one. Let's just say closing because improved visibility via platforms. Great. We got through the first 100. You know, obviously we didn't have to address every single one, but the next one is 101. Let's take a quick look at that. Character limit on chat responses. Stop generating is available. Yeah. So let's do this. So stop generating button added. And added chat preference for max token output. I'm just gonna leave it at that for now. I mean, just a little bit of an update though. So it seems to be pretty common that the platforms are having significantly higher input context than output context. So that's become a bit of a natural limit for the max token output. You know, for example, like pretty much all of the OpenAI models only put out 4,000 tokens max, while some of them can accept up to 128,000 tokens input. So it's like, you know, like this should probably be updated to add like, you know, let's say like clarified need for limiting input tokens, you know, because like really like cost wise, input is cheaper, but if the scale is like a magnitude more tokens, that cheaper cost still ends up being like a much higher, you know, potential. So yeah, that will still need to be addressed. That's where are we at here? Recorded response. You know, we had 97 on this video too. Let me make sure I get 97 in there so I don't forget. Make sure that gets added. Okay, now this should. Okay, so modifying background color of the text. Yeah, so at the time, you know, the smart chat used to use a single theme, but now the latest versions inherit the Obsidian theme. So like I think that's enough to close this one out. So I think it's about noon, so I'm gonna let's take a look at this one and then get some lunch. Issue number 104, implemented configurable API endpoints for chat models. Cool. This was completed. Custom API settings available since v2.1. Close this one out. Cool. Okay, that was my first attempt at handling these issues on video. I hope that you appreciate the insights that I have been able to share off the top of my head as I'm looking through these. I think this could be a much more efficient, way of engaging with the community on GitHub. Like by the time you're watching this, this should be posted on YouTube, and I'm going to add those YouTube links to those issues that were, any of them that were addressed in any of these videos, so then this way anybody searching the issues in the future, can kind of see where my head's at on these things. And yeah, that's it. I feel pretty good about how this went. Let me record one more. Well, we'll see about that. For now, onward.